Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y91 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and in this model it does not really matter whether you will be on the photo or the video mode. We can simply enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, and here we've got the section with the video. So let's tap on the video resolution, and as you can see in this case we've got only 3 different options. Currently we've got the recommended option applied, 16:9 ratio, and 1080p option. We can set also the full screen or the same ratio and 720p. It's up to you, of course. All you have to do is to tap on the option. Let me pick full screen, and as you can see, after tapping on it, it will be immediately applied, which simply means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. Of course, as I said, it's your choice. However, I highly recommend to use this recommended option because it is the best possible here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.